Testing. How's everybody doing this evening?
You hear everything?
I do.
Good? All good?
This happens everywhere.
No, I just the video. I control the sound.
Oh, okay.
And you look for it. Just look.
Okay. Should I set it?
Yeah, up to you.
All right.
Hi.
All right. Well, welcome everybody. I hope everybody's having a great weekend so far. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Welcome to Gage Park. Give it up for KO. He's coming back, so please stick around. His band is awesome, and so is he. Well done. My name is Lisa Warren, and I am a harpist, recording artist here in Hamilton. And it's just me and my harp. It's going to be a little bit of a different vibe than you've probably been used to all weekend, but I hope you guys enjoy. We're going to kick things off with Three Little Birds. If you ever feel the need to sing along, please do. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing it, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds perched on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true. They're singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Thank you very much. That's a fun one. Up next. So I have a looper. It's not ready yet, so I just use it as backing tracks and effects. So the next one is going to be House of the Rising Sun by the Animals. This is a lever harp, and you will see me frequently changing them throughout the evening. Make sure I have the right key, and you will know when I don't. Well, I got one foot on the platform, the other foot on the train. I'm going back to New Orleans to wear that ball and chain. There is a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun. It's been the ruin of many poor boys, and I know. Burning your eyes, you look at me, and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried my soul, California gold. You found that from me that I couldn't. When I'm all choked up and I can't find words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets trying to write. We don't know how to write, but damn we try. All I really know, where I wanna go, the part of me that you will never die. When I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. When I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. When you look at me and the whole world thinks, I'll always remember us this way. Gotta start opening my eyes, I think. Thank you very much. I'm gonna do one last song. I hope you guys have enjoyed your evening. Thank you so much for sticking around. It's been a great time coming out for here and performing for you all. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening in this beautiful. This song has been a dream of mine to learn how to sing since I started singing. It's fairly new for me. However, I hope you guys enjoy. This is a classic, brings me back to my childhood, one of my favorite movies growing up. It's called Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Another fan. Just checking the levers. This is a lever harp. I actually started 7 years ago playing my harp, and I'm more of a relaxation type musician, but I am breaking out into the different genres for sure. And I started singing a few years ago, and I'm putting it all together. And this song I'm going to do for you, which is Angel by Sarah McLachlan, is actually the first song that I ever learned to play and sing on the harp. And there's a bit of a story to this. I actually started uploading to YouTube a week after I got my harp to show my brother in the Yukon what I was up to. And the day I uploaded this video, I had a video go viral. Yes, I did. It's 2.8 million views. And it was a very crazy time. This actually happened about 3 years ago. And yeah, so that was kind of cool, and this song kind of did it. So anyway, here is Angel by Sarah McLachlan. Is that right? So tired of a straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. Storm keeps on twisting, keep on building lies that you make up for all that you like. Don't make no difference, escaping one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness. Oh, glorious at last, brings me to my knees in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark cold hotel room and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort. Thank you very much. Thank you. I played pretty quietly. Thank you very much. Alright, the next one is called Zombie. Earlier you heard the wonderful band play it. I've got a different version for you. I hope you guys enjoy. Another headlong child is slowly taken, and the violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, what's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, hey. Another mother's breaking, heart is taking over, The violence causes silence. We must be mistaken. It's the same old scene since 1916. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are dying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, what's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Hey, hey, hey.
I was trying to save you.
Ay, ikaw pala nag-suit niyan. Akala ko hindi pa siya umuwi.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. I-plug mo ulit. Di ba pagkatapos dito yan ang sumusunod na. Oh, yeah. Plug mo ulit siya. Di ba man na mayroon siyang halal na
Every day they have to plug it. It's pretty difficult, I'm not gonna lie.
Everything cargo. Kasi hindi ko nangyari. Para, mahungkot na rin pa rin ganyan. Para saka, para, ba, bigyan tayo ng importansya ng Test of Philippines. Sige, pasok ulit tayo next year. Diba? Guaranteed yan.
Taste of the Ori.
Tulungan tayo yan. Kaya dito na lang tayo.
And then taste of the East.
Maniwala ka. Totoo naman eh.
Not too specific. Thunder in the East. You know what I mean?
But right now, it's just
Yan, wala ha. Dinip na magro-road. O, tapos na to eh. Patapos na eh. Pero huwag mo kakalimutan ha. Oo, sige. Sabi mo, everything must go. Gano'n. Lahat. Patakin mo ng gusto. Para maubos na yung paninda niya.
set you up on your feet again. Oh, it wipes the tears from your eyes. How will you ever know the way that circumstances go? Always gonna hit
Sila rin ang susunod, ano? Sila rin ang susunod, ano?
Isa na lang.
O, sila rin? Ba yung drummer?
you are the one.
Diyan nilalagay yung mga speaker. Yung mga
Looking back, it's hard
babalikan
to
mo?
tell
Hindi.
what they said
Hindi
when
kapin nila.
others fell.
20 tables ang iyo.
Spending your life. All I know is one cloudy day, they both just ran away. Rain on
Ang labig sa taas. Malabigan mo. Tumulong ka
isa
kayo
na lang.
umalis eh.
Sana lang. Ah, higpitan na ito, kuya.
Sometimes the world begins to set you up on your
Ang hirap
feet
yan
again.
ng ano niya,
Oh,
nag-feedback
it
yun.
wipes the tears from your eyes.
Hindi, yung
How will you ever know the way that circumstances
Pwede mo lang-
go? Always gonna hit
Pwede
you
mo malagyan
back.
maliit na microphone sa loob. Yan, kasi parang pala sa halo sa loob.
No one
kaya ginamit ko yung gitara ko. Ayun, medyo tumulong na konti. Baka nasa kagabi din sila.
You are the one.
Silaksak yan eh.
Parang grand piano.
Pinakasuot na instrumento.
Wala. Sinira ng mga satanas.
Yan ang biblical na instrumento eh. Oo.
Thank you very much, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good evening. It's a beautiful day.
Siguro malalakan, wala kaya.
Happy Father's Day once again.
siya.
Please stick around.
Hindi pa.
Band Damn Animal is coming up and they're awesome.
Matatapos na yata. No? Oo, tapos lang siya.
Enough time for 2 more.
Dalawa na lang.
Sure. 2 more. 2 more.
Buti may araw pa.
We're gonna do always. That I heard once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue. The dreams that you dared to dream really do come true. Someday I'll fish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me. The drops smell like lemon drop away above the chimney top. That's where you find me. Over the rainbow, birds fly over the rain. Why can't bird drops smell like lemon drops away above the chimney top? That's where you find me. Somewhere over the rainbow, birds fly over the rainbow. Why, oh, why can't if had little blackbirds fly beyond the rain? Why, oh, why? Thank you very much, everybody. It's been a pleasure. Please stick around. Damn Animal is next, and they're gonna hype you up. They are amazing rock band. So